Have you guys ever wondered how people that are usually not even that famous get around 100K, 10K, 5K followers that are real and active on Instagram? I was wondering the same thing too. And you were probably thinking, is there a secret to the madness? Well, good thing you found this video because I think I found the answer. Alright you guys, I hope you're all excited because today I'm going to show you exactly how you can gain 10K followers on your Instagram profile. 100% free, no hidden schemes or tricks. This is legit, and let's just get straight into it. So mainly the app that I'm going to be focused on today so you guys could fulfill this strategy is called Captivate. So you guys probably heard this app before. However, I'm going to show you how powerful this app is to actually gain that amount of followers that I claim that you can get. So with that being said, let's get into it. So right here, before you do anything, when you open this app, you're going to be on the discovery page. This discovery page is mainly like the discovery page on Instagram. Really don't need to focus on anything here. What you want to focus on is go into settings. This is the first thing you should do when you get on this app. Go on the settings and then turn all these on. Exactly what I have, turn these all on. I'll explain why. The following filters. Keep these all on because when you actually want to cipher through the people that you're following, you want to follow the people that are not following you. Hence, this app and section will help you do just that. And the quick select is mainly just like that. It will just make your life easier when you're ciphering through the people that's not following you. So with that being said, let's get to this part. How you actually gain all the followers. For example, you want to target a certain niche, whatever niche that you're in. It could be a fitness niche, it could be a business niche, it could be a food niche, whatever that you're in, whatever that you like. We don't discriminate. We only help out. But anyway, for me, I'm in a business niche. And what I want to focus on is business entrepreneurs. Obviously, you know me.
Yeah, boy.
But anyway, I want to focus on that. So I want to type in someone that's actually big on YouTube or on Instagram or whatever that has a big following that I know that will have a lot of real targeted followers because that's the people that I want to target. So, for example, I'm going to use Alex Becker. Right here. He's an entrepreneur, same niche that I'm in, and I want to target his followers because I saw his profile, and they are interacting with him, and there was a real follower. So what you want to do is click actions and then copy users followers. Do that. Let this bad boy load up. All right, perfect. So what you gotta do now is click actions. Sorry, no, you gotta click quick select all first, because what are you gonna do when you don't select anything? You click actions, right? Okay, anyway, you click actions now and then click follow, and then you click start now. However, you will not follow 120 people because that will put you in the red zone in Instagram. I'll explain how that is and why you won't follow that much, but just click start now. If you did that, good. Now come over here. However, I'm not going to do it because I already hit the limit of my actions in this hour. I'll show you what that means. Right here, maximum batch actions, 40. So this means you're going to do 40 actions every time you click follow or unfollow. And this entails is Instagram will stop you from actually following more than 50, will stop you from doing more than 50 actions each hour. So this little setting will keep it here so you will be in the green. You will not be in the red zone, and you'll be safe to follow people each hour when you click follow or unfollow. And you might be thinking, well, Adam, there's a button that says 50 actions, and you just told me you could do 50 actions each hour, so what's going on? Blah, blah, blah. Stop, calm down, take a breath. You want to do 40 actions because say you follow someone on Instagram or you want to like someone's cool picture. Oh my God, that's a cute puppy. Let me like it. Boom, you're in the red zone. You know why? Because you want to be a smartass and click 40 actions when you could have did 40. And you liking that one puppy picture puts you at 51 actions. Hence red zone. Hence block. Hence ban off Instagram. It's like, it's not that serious, but you would be blocked from doing any actions for I think the next 24 hours, honestly. So you don't want to be that guy. Honestly, don't be that guy. No one likes that guy. So after you did that, you're good. And you might be thinking, where's the other followers that I didn't follow, since you just told me I'm only going to be following 40 and I already selected like 120, blah, blah, blah. Don't worry about that. It's going to be right here, guys. It's going to be in the pending query. So these are all the people that you have to get to, and you can tell when your hour is up right here, the active statistics, activity statistics. You know what I mean. See, for example, I'm in the red right now. I did 41 actions. Well, I'm not technically in the red because I didn't do more than 50. This is just a good gauge to make sure you're not going over. But say like if I did 50 and I like that puppy picture, damn, that puppy picture got me again. I did 51, would have been banned, blocked, whatever you want to call it. But I'm good because I did 40. I'm smart. So you can tell, oh, if this is 0, if the like action is 0, if the follow actions is 0, if the unfollow actions is 0, that means you are good to go to your pending query and click action, execute action. Boom. 40 again, wait the next hour, do it again, so on and so forth. So that is everything in the nutshell. And let me explain to you something else that you can do that is going to speed this up a lot. It's called night mode. So this is the secret of the secret sauce, you know? So mainly this is actually going to do one action every 90 seconds when you're asleep. How crazy is that? You're going to do this every time you're asleep. And the real thing you have to focus on, please don't forget, is to keep it at one action every 9 seconds. You might get like all excited, like, oh my God, I could do this while I'm sleeping. Let me just see 50 actions. Don't be that guy. I was that guy. I didn't like being that guy. Keep it at one action because you don't want to get banned or blocked. Keep it at one action every 90 seconds. Keep it all on active. Keep these all on active because it's going to keep your phone on this, like in a sleep modes kind of, and then this is going to, your phone's going to be on, and then it's going to do all these actions when you're asleep. And then right here, you can see all the pending actions. It's right here. I have 134 right now. However, I recommend you just like fill up your query, your local query. Get like at least 300, 500 people, because that, like, you don't want to just have like pending actions like 50, and then within like 2 hours that's completed. And say like you're sleeping for like 6, 7, or 8 hours. You could get a lot more time done. Save you more time when you're actually in the day grinding. So just do like at least 300 in your pending query. I'll say 500, but you know, to each their own. So that's what you got to do. And yeah, we'll just go on at night. So let me explain to you guys the cloud action, because this is something that you do not need. The strategy that I just showed you to actually get 10K followers, you do not need this section. I repeat, you do not need the cloud action. You do not need it, because this is mainly, sorry for that. This is mainly a strat that you can use just like the night mode. However, you don't need to be asleep. This goes on 24/7, 365, constant. And I don't know how it works. Obviously, it's in a cloud somewhere, but you get it?
You're so dumb. You are really dumb. For real.
But anyway, it works because it just keeps on going, and you don't have to go to your pending queries. It will just go automatically. You don't have to put this in night mode or whatever. It's legit, honestly. But if you have the time to spare 2 minutes to go to your pending query, check what hour that you're in, how many actions you did in the hour, and then click go on your pending query, you don't need the cloud action. You don't need to spend extra money for this. Like, honestly, it's going to be $5. I think $5.99 for this action. You don't need this. You just need the pro version. That's all you really need, and then you're good to go. So just remember, this is all well and good. However, you don't need it to do the strategy. And you might be saying, well, like, you're gonna all these followers, but like, you don't know if they're all following you back. Like, dude, there's no way they're gonna follow you back. Blah, blah, blah. Like, there's no way if you're gonna follow 1,000 people, 1,000 people are gonna follow you back.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Well, just stop and listen, because this strategy works. All of them are not going to follow you back. However, that's why you rinse and repeat. So for example, let me show you my profile, because I've been using this strategy since NOM, aka day one. So boom, I've been on and off on the Captivate app, and this is exactly my followers and follow them. I started this profile with probably like 200 followers without this app. Repeat, listen to me. I started this account with 200 followers without this app. And look how many people I'm following now. And look at my followers. Dude, that is some pretty, if you're good at math, that's a good ratio, because I'm following 1,418 people, and look at my followers, is 1,404. And I didn't even clean it out. Minus like the 200 or 300 followers I started out with, more than 50% are following me back. Almost more than 70 actually. So like, honestly, like, just remember this, bros. Like, there's a way, and gals, sorry, there's a way to actually be consistent and gain a lot of followers with this app, and it's 100% free. It's crazy, guys. Like, a lot of people want things that are like, get something like super fast, or you want something that's in one day. It's not, you're not going to wake up and be rich and be a fucking social icon like in one night or one day. Like, it's impossible, guys. You got to put in the work. So this is a strat that you can use to actually gain a consistent amount of followers throughout the day, not just rapidly, no bots, whatever. These are legit followers. And yeah, and obviously if you dig and if you like what you see, you can follow your boy, but that's for another video. But it's Amdi Noli.
Stop it. Get some help.
But anyway, let's get to it. Let's go back to the app, and let me go over a little bit more things, because I think, let me just double check I covered everything. Yep. Yeah, that's really all you got to do, guys. For example, let's just go look at this. Like I said in the sentence, these are all the people that's not following me. These little fuckers. But anyway, I don't judge. I just unfollow. So, select all, actions, unfollow. However, do not start doing this right now. Do not do this. You want to know why? Because let's go back to my Instagram. That's not my Instagram. All right. See how much I'm following right now? Instagram will only let you follow 7,500, I think. Yeah, it's 7,500 people. That's it. You can't follow any more than that. That's completely it. It will cut you off.
Oh no.
So what you want to do is get your following up to like, I'll say like 3,000, 5,000. If you're pushing, I'm going to 4,000. When I get to 4,000, that's when I'm going to clean out all the negative Nancy's that didn't want to follow your boy. Clean them out and rinse and repeat. You have more room to follow more people. And just imagine if you're doing this consistently, dude, let's say like next like 3 weeks, or let's say a month, you'll get a decent amount of followers. If you're this serious, because like I haven't been that active on this app. I just started using like 3 days ago, like really going hardcore, because I was more focused on expanding on different platforms online. But anyway, this is these are the numbers, guys. It doesn't lie. These are my following to following ratio, and I didn't even clean out the negative Nancy's, guys. So just remember, if you want to take anything out of this, keep it at 40. Keep your actions at 40. You don't want to get banned. You do not want to get blocked, and you want to like those puppy pictures. You want to keep on liking those. So
6.5 hours later.
Alright everyone, so that wraps up the walkthrough of how you can use Captivate to gain followers on Instagram. So if you guys appreciate this video, please smash that like button. And if you guys are actually using this method, please let me know in the comment section below to see your strategies and how far you guys are going on your Instagram profiles. I really like to communicate and connect with you guys. So with that being said, I hope you guys all have a great time, and don't forget to subscribe. So till next time.